Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. So, this is my first video on YouTube, and this is my new YouTube channel, and I am so happy you are here with me today. So, today in this video, I am going to share with you 4 most important steps that will help you to speak English fluently and confidently. So, these are simple and powerful steps that anyone can follow, and it will really work. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, the first step here is listen every day. At least you have to listen 5 to 10 minutes, podcast, conversation, everything. Whatever you want, whatever your preference is, you need to listen more and more. But if you are a beginner, you just need to listen 5 to 10 minutes a day. So before you can speak well, you need to listen, you need to hear English a lot. You need to use to your ear to English conversation, to English words, vocabulary. Just like a children, they learn just by listening, observing things, observing language to their parents and to their siblings also. And you too can improve just by listening daily, observing and knowing about the rhythm of English, the pronunciation, everything. So it will help you to use to English conversation, English words, English lectures also. So how you can do it? Watch English movies or shows with subtitles and listen to English songs, news or podcast. Daily use conversation you need to listen, not complex lectures, movies. If you just start from complex, nothing will understand you and you will give up. After that, you need to pay attention how the pronunciation they are producing, how the words they are saying from their mouth. You need to listen, you need to pay attention to them. So in this way you can listen and you can understand English in a easy way. And if you don't understand everything, keep listening. Your brain will slowly get to used to English sounds gradually, right? So here the next step is learn and use new words also. So learning new words, learning new vocabularies will also boost your communication skills, right? So this is also most important steps. Building vocabulary is also most important. For an example, if you are going to give a speech to somewhere, going to say something on anything, then if you don't have any vocabulary, only any complex vocabulary, your English will not seem nice, will not seem polished English, right? So in order to boost, in order to upgrade your English, you need to learn vocabulary also. And the effective ways to learn vocabulary is not just remembering them, just learning them, just finding their meaning. It's not the right way to learn vocabulary. So the right way to learn vocabulary is learn vocabulary, remember them and use them in your daily conversation also, right? Use them in your daily sentences. This is the most important steps to learn any vocabulary, so that it will remain in your brain for so long time, just by using them in your daily sentences. So what you need to do here is that 3 to 5 words daily you need to learn, you need to remember and also use in sentences. Try to make sentence with that vocabularies also, right? So this is the best step also you can do is, so if you learn a vocabulary confident, right? So instead of just finding the meaning of confident, say I am confident, he is looking confident, just like this you can use in your conversation. And here our third step is practice speaking daily. So this is also the most important step. The more you speak, the more your tongue will use to English words, English conversation also. So don't wait for perfect English to start speaking. Start now, right? You should start now. You don't need to be perfect. Don't need to wait for perfect. Start now. Mistake happens, so it's natural thing. You don't need to be afraid of mistake. Without mistake, no one learn actually. So why, how you can learn, how you can speak is that talk to your friends in English. But if your friend are making, if your friend are making fun of you, you can start practicing with your friends, online friends. There are lots of infrastructure available online also. You can just start speaking with them also. And practice in front of your mirror for 5 minutes, at least for 5 minutes. This will give you confidence. And also your, if you see in your mirror your face, you will know that how you are speaking, when, how you are speaking, how your face structure at that time. And also you can record yourself and also play this. By doing this you can, you can know your mistake, right? And the first and the four important step here is think in English. Instead of thinking in Hindi, thinking in your mother tongue, you can think, you can think in English also. इंस्टेड ऑफ थिंकिंग इन हिंदी दैट मैं खेल रहा हूँ, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ, मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ. So instead of thinking like this, you need to think, you must think in English like this: I am going to school, I am watching TV, I am cooking food, everything. Like your basic conversation, like what you do from morning to evening, little bit steps you can think in English also. For an example, if you are brushing your teeth, you need to think that I am brushing my teeth, I am getting up early in the morning, so I am having breakfast. So you need to think in English. So it will become your habit, that will become your natural habit, and English will no longer be so much difficult for you in upcoming days if you do consistent practice, right? So these were four most important steps to be fluent in English, right? And the most important thing I want to tell you here is that consistent practice. Without consistency, nothing will change, nothing will improve in your English learning journey. You need to keep this in your mind, right? So I will sum up for you one more time. Listen every day, learn and use new words, practice speaking daily, and think in English. If you follow these four steps for just 21 to 30 days, you will definitely see a big improvement in your spoken English learning journey, right? So, since this is my first video, guys, I hope you will support me. Your support means a lot to me. And please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share it with your friends who also want to improve their English. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and stay confident. Thank you.